So now we look at the physical linkage approach, damage function method just now. So under damage function method, the researcher will specify a model of the relationship between the environmental contaminant and some type of observed damage. Observed damage ni total damage lah. So contaminant tu we denote it as C, and untuk total damage TD. Right, so based on the figure, you can look at the figure. The level of some environmental contaminant, denoted C, measured horizontally, secara melintang, and the total damage resulting from exposure to that contaminant are measured vertically, secara menegak. So the analyst uses the model to estimate the damage reduction from any policy-induced decline in the contaminant. Maknanya measurement of this adalah kita nak tengok how berapa banyak total damage itu telah reduce based on the policy yang telah digunakan untuk reduce contaminant itu. Okay, so at this point the reduction is measured in non-monetary basis or non-monetary units. For example, number of acidified lakes, acres of damaged forests, number of premature death. Maknanya kita nak tengok apa? Kita tengok benda-benda yang tidak boleh dinilai secara value dari segi dolar ataupun ringgit Malaysia. Okay? However, this reduction must be assigned a monetary value, either by using market prices or by employing some estimation technique. So sepatutnya kita perlu put value on the damage itulah, baru kita nak tahu nilai dia berapa. Nilai damage yang dikurangkan, berapa banyak improvement yang telah environment, maksudnya berapa improvement on health, human health, environmental health, and so on. Right, so based on the diagram, you can see on diagram in your PowerPoint slides, we assume that a policy initiative is expected to reduce the contaminant from C0 to C1. So the policy will reduce the contaminant from C0 to C1. And so it will also reduce the total damage from TD0 to TD1. So equivalent to it is increase in the benefit. So when total damage reduce, it will increase the total benefit or benefit of to the environment. Right, so even though this method is useful, but it has some limitation. It estimates only one aspect of incremental benefits, right? For example, increase with crops, right? So what would be the other benefits that we can gain from it? Tak semestinya increase in the crop sahaja, So kita boleh kata when contaminant reduce in the contaminant, it will give gains to the in humans' health, It will improve humans' health juga. Jadi every type of damage ini, reduction ini kita kena kita kena assess or measure each type of total damage for every gain. So itu adalah kesukaran untuk this method. Kedua, the procedure is only a first step approach which is not capable of simultaneously monetizing the benefit in quantifies. Maknanya it quantifies. Maknanya kita tak boleh nak put value. Kita tak boleh nak kira dari segi quantity lah. Value dia banyak mana yang turun, berapa banyak yang increase, and so on. So that's why it has some limitation. Right. So so kita nak tengok juga application on the damage function. So before that, kita tengok diagram tadilah, So macam mana diagram tadi? Macam mana kita nak kita nak measure incremental benefit, untuk damage method inilah, So ini adalah total damage, yang ini adalah contaminant, Jadi dekat sini kita kata bila kita dah kurangkan contaminant ini based on the policy implemented. So bila policy kita dah impose, then contaminant ini dapat dikurangkan, jadi total damage pun dapat dikurangkan. So ini yang kita kata damage method, the damage method lah, function method ini. Right, so kita nak tengok application of the damage function method next.